Today we are going to learn the names of insects. Butterfly. This is a butterfly. Ladybug. This is a ladybug. Grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. Bee. This is a bee. Spider. This is a spider. Ant. This is a ant. Beetle. This is a beetle. Scorpion. This is a scorpion. Lizard. This is a lizard. Flea. This is a flea. Moth. This is a moth. Snail. This is a snail. Caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. Mosquito. This is a mosquito. Wasp. This is a wasp. Cockroach. This is a cockroach. Leech. This is a leech. Earthworm. This is a earthworm. Crab. This is a crab. Bedbug. This is a bedbug. Termites. This is a termites. Fly. This is a fly. Bumblebee. This is a bumblebee. Centipede. This is a centipede. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe.